Hey, if you're thinking about remodeling a project, do not start without watching these 3 tips I'm about to give you. By the way, I'm Guerrero with Cutting Edge Innovative, and we have done hundreds of projects in Miami, Florida, Coral Gables, Pinecrest. And I'm here to tell you and save you some time by giving you 3 valuable tips before you start your remodel project. So let's get started. Number 1, do not start your project without having a plan, a detailed plan. We call this the pre-construction phase. So before you start construction, make sure you take a lot of time in your pre-construction phase to create a design and a plan that basically shows everything you want to do in this project, because your plan, your design is going to be the instructions for everybody in the team to build. So if your instructions are incorrect, it's going to cause confusion, going to cause delays, and most important, it's going to cause change orders. A lot of times we intend to blame others for the mistakes, but ultimately it's really the project manager's responsibility to make sure that we have a clear set of plans with a clear scope of work and a clear timeline. And then once we have the plans, the scope of work, timeline, that everything is there and everybody's clear on, then you can start executing the plan, but not backwards. A lot of times we try to start the project too soon because we think we're gonna save time, but it actually costs us more money, more time, and more stress when you start the project without having a proper plan. Tip number 2, understand the timeline for permits. You want to be able to understand how long things are going to take so you could have a realistic expectation of timelines before you can even start. So let's talk about the permit process for a second and how does that look like. Once you hire an architect and you have a full set of plans, you're going to have a floor plan, you're going to have electrical plan, a mechanical plan, a plumbing plan, a structure plan. There's going to be a lot of sheets of the plan showing every department. Those plans need to be submitted to the city officials with a permit application, and those plans are going to go through every single department: electrical department, building department, mechanical department, plumbing, and so forth. Each department has a person who's going to review those plans, and this person is going to review those plans are going to give you comments. They're going to say, this is okay, or please specify about this, or please give me more information, and they're going to write comments. Once those plans go through every department in the city, then those plans go back to the architect for corrections. Now, the time that it takes, and each department is different, by the way, each city is different, so you may want to look into your specific city. But the time usually it takes for the city to do one review for the whole plans could be about 4 weeks, roughly on average. Now, once those plans get submitted back with comments, the architect now has the time and needs to basically do all the corrections and update the plans to show and reflect whatever comments the reviewers were asking. Once the architect finishes with all the comments, then those plans go back to the city again for a whole round of reviews again. And then you guessed it, you have to wait another month to get the comments back. Now, typically, the plans go to the city 2, 3, 4, even 5 times before they actually get approved. This is common sometimes. Now, the better the architect is, the more detailed he is, the more organized he is on the way he's presenting the plans, may save some time, obviously. But at the end of the day, you have to go through the process. So if you were to ask me, how long does it take to get a permit? I'll tell you, here in Miami, Florida, we're in Coral Gables, usually takes about anywhere between 3 to 5 months to get a permit, from initial all the way to pulling up permits. Now, the last tip I want to tell you before you start your remodeling project, this is the most important one. Make sure you hire one company, one person to manage everything for you. There has to be one leader managing the whole team. Now, what's going to happen is that this one person needs to have construction experience, organization experience, leadership experience, and needs to understand the process on what goes first, what goes next, and so forth, so that this person could create basically a schedule for the whole project and really think about what needs to happen before all the things happen. For instance, let's assume you're gonna do the remodeling. There's a sequence of things that need to happen, including passing inspections by the city. So if you cannot pass an inspection, you cannot move the project forward. And you need to understand that there's a critical path items. There's certain things that needs to be done before you can start the next activity. So when you hire one person that's experienced, and this one person manages everybody, the whole team, whether it's the architects, the designers, the plumbers, the contractors, the tile guys, the cabinets, whatever your project needs, it's much clear, because there's only one person in charge. There's no pointing fingers, because when you hire different people and you have different leaderships, then everybody's pointing fingers. The contractor blames the architect blames the demo guy blames the framer guy, and it becomes, excuse my French, a shit show, as you guys already know. So my final tip is make sure you hire one company that has one project manager, and this person is the one that oversees everything. Even though you're gonna be paying a percentage for these services, it's going to pay off in the long term. You're going to save money by time. You're going to save money by quality of work. You're going to save money by getting exactly what you want and doing it right the first time. So it's very important. Which, by the way, this is something that we here at Cutting Edge Innovative offer. So if you guys need any help, any assistance, whether it's the design, the construction, or even the completion phase, give us a ring. There should be a link below to book a free consultation, and we're more than happy to help you. So I'll see you in the next one. Can't stop, won't stop. Let's go.